Did HP All-in Plan send me the wrong cartridge? If you've subscribed to the HP All-in-Plan and received a replacement ink cartridge that is larger than a regular cartridge or has a different cartridge number, you might wonder if these cartridges are right for your printer. Some HP ink cartridges might be larger than the cartridges that came with your printer. With these larger cartridges, you can print more pages, and HP reduces the number of shipments and cartridges manufactured, making this an environment-friendly choice for minimizing waste. Even though the new HP ink cartridge might be larger or have a different number, it will still fit your printer like a regular cartridge. The end of the HP ink cartridge will stick out further than the regular cartridge. Your printer is designed to fit these larger cartridges too,